Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn English Easy with me. I'm Mia, and I'm super pumped for today's episode.
And I'm Henry, ready to make learning English fun and useful. Today, we're tackling a real-life topic that could happen to anyone: police station conversation.
Exactly. Imagine you lose your wallet, your bike gets stolen, or there's a small accident. Knowing what to say in English at the police station can save you so much stress.
Yeah, last week I pretended I lost my phone just to practice, and I sounded like a detective in a bad movie. Officer, the thief was super sneaky.
Oh, Henry, you're too funny. But seriously, let's start with some easy vocabulary we'll use today. First, report a theft. That means telling the police someone stole something.
Got it. Report a theft. And file a complaint. That's when you officially tell them what happened so they can help.
Perfect. Another one, take my statement. The police write down what you say. And describe the suspect. You tell them how the person looked.
Suspect is the person who might have done it. Wow, we're already sounding like pros. Viewers, repeat after us. Report a theft. File a complaint.
Now let's role-play the first scenario. I'll be the police officer and you be the person who lost something. Ready?
Ready. Okay, here we go.
Hello, sir. How can I help you today?
Hello, officer. I'd like to report a lost wallet.
Okay, calm down. When and where did you lose it?
It happened about an hour ago at the market. I think someone took it from my pocket.
I see. Can you describe the wallet?
Yes, it's black leather with a silver buckle. It has my ID and some cash inside.
Any idea who might have taken it? Can you describe the suspect?
He was tall, wearing a blue hoodie and jeans. I didn't see his face clearly.
No problem. We'll file a report. Please give me your full name and contact number.
My name is Henry Patel, and my phone is 555-123-4567.
Great. Here's your copy of the statement. Call us if you remember more details.
Thank you so much, officer. You've been really helpful.
Whew, that was smooth. See how natural it sounded? No panic, just clear sentences.
Yeah, and I used I'd like to report. That's polite and perfect for starting. Viewers, try saying it with me. I'd like to report a lost wallet.
Now let's break it down. Why say, how can I help you today, instead of just, what?
Because it's friendly and professional. It makes the officer feel helpful, and you stay calm.
Exactly. And I see or no problem shows you're listening. These little phrases build trust.
Imagine if I said, "Yo, cop, my wallet vanished." I'd be in trouble.
You're killing me. Okay, let's do the same scenario again, but slower, so viewers can repeat each line. Hello, sir. How can I help you today?
Hello, officer. I'd like to report a lost wallet.
Okay, calm down. When and where did you lose it?
It happened about an hour ago at the market.
Can you describe the wallet?
Yes, it's black leather with a silver buckle.
Any idea who might have taken it?
He was tall, wearing a blue hoodie and jeans.
We'll file a report. Please give me your full name and contact number.
My name is Henry Patel. Phone 555-123-4567.
Great. Here's your copy of the statement. Call us if you remember more details.
Thank you so much, officer. You've been really helpful.
Awesome. Now everyone pause the video and practice that whole conversation out loud. It helps your speaking confidence.
Next scenario. Let's make it fun. This time, it's a stolen bicycle. I'll be the officer, and you be the worried cyclist.
Okay, Officer Henry, hit me.
Good morning, ma'am. What seems to be the problem?
Good morning. I'd like to report a stolen bike.
Oh no, tell me more. When did this happen?
Just this morning outside the cafe, I locked it, but it's gone now.
Can you describe the bicycle?
It's red, mountain style, with a black basket on the front.
Any witnesses or security cameras nearby?
There was a guy in a green shirt looking at it earlier. Maybe check the camera?
Good tip. We'll take your statement and start investigating. What's your address?
123 Main Street, apartment 4B.
Here's the report number. We'll call if we find it.
Thank you, officer. I really appreciate your help. I feel much better now.
See? What seems to be the problem is another great way to start. Super polite.
And I really appreciate your help ends it nicely with gratitude. It leaves a good impression.
Viewers, these phrases work everywhere, not just police stations, hospitals, banks, anywhere official.
Let's add humor to the next one. Imagine Henry reports a stolen sandwich from the fridge, but it's actually at home.
Okay, role play time. I'll be the dramatic citizen.
Hello, how can I assist you?
Officer, my sandwich has been stolen. It was my favorite tuna one.
A sandwich? Tell me the details.
It disappeared from my desk at work around lunchtime. The suspect is probably my coworker who loves tuna.
All right, let's not panic over food. Can you describe the sandwich?
Fresh bread, lots of mayo, and a pickle on the side.
I think we can handle this as a lost item. Fill out this form.
You're the best, officer. Next time, I'll just bring 2 sandwiches.
See how we kept it light? Even in silly situations, stay polite with "tell me the details" and "let's not panic."
That teaches emotional control, important when you're upset in real life.
Now a more serious one, reporting a car accident. This happens a lot.
I'll be the driver who had the accident.
Hello, sir. What happened?
Hello, officer. There was a small car accident at the intersection.
Are you hurt? Do you need medical help?
No, I'm okay, but my car has a dent. The other driver didn't stop at the red light.
I see. Can you describe the other vehicle?
It was a white sedan with license plate ABC 1234.
Any witnesses?
Yes, the lady at the bus stop saw everything.
Perfect. We'll file an accident report. Stay safe.
Thanks. I feel relieved now that it's official.
Notice, "Are you hurt?" Officers always check safety first. Great phrase to remember.
And I see shows they're paying attention. Viewers use these to sound confident.
Let's switch it up. What if you witness something and want to report it?
Okay, Mia, you're the witness this time.
Excuse me, officer. I'd like to report suspicious activity I saw.
Go ahead, ma'am. What did you notice?
Last night, around 10 p.m., someone was trying to open cars in the parking lot.
Can you describe the person?
Medium height, dark jacket, carrying a flashlight.
Thank you for being a good citizen. We'll investigate.
You're welcome. I just wanted to help keep the neighborhood safe.
I'd like to report suspicious activity is perfect for being a helpful witness.
And "you're welcome" or "I just wanted to help" adds that emotional connection. It shows you're a caring person.
Now let's do a super long version of the lost wallet scenario with more questions so viewers hear lots of back and forth.
Hello, sir. How can I help you today?
Hello, officer. I'd like to report a lost wallet.
Okay, take a seat. When exactly did you notice it was missing?
Around 3 p.m. at the busy shopping street.
Were you alone or with friends?
I was alone, but the street was crowded.
Any unusual people around you at that time?
Yes, a man kept bumping into people near me.
What was in the wallet besides cash?
My driver's license, credit cards, and a family photo.
We'll freeze your cards for safety. Give me the card numbers if you remember.
Sure, the main one ends with 7890.
Good. Sign here for the official statement.
Thank you. How long until I hear back?
Usually within a week. Call this number if anything changes.
I appreciate it so much. You made this easy.
That's a full, detailed report. See how we added questions like, were you alone, to get more info?
Viewers, the more details you give, the better they can help. Practice adding your own details.
Time for another variation, reporting noise disturbance at night.
I'll be the tired neighbor.
Good evening, officer. I'd like to file a complaint about loud noise.
Evening, ma'am. What's going on?
The apartment next door has been playing music super loud every night until 2 a.m.
How long has this been happening?
For 2 weeks now. I can't sleep.
Any attempts to talk to them first?
Yes, but they ignore me.
We'll send someone to check. Here's the complaint form.
Thank you. This means a lot for my peace of mind.
I'd like to file a complaint. Works for any problem, not just crime. Super useful phrase.
And this means a lot shows emotion. It connects with the officer.
Let's keep going with a missing pet scenario because it's emotional and common.
Hello, officer. My dog went missing yesterday.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Tell me about the dog.
He's a small brown Labrador, answers to Max, wearing a red collar.
Where was he last seen?
In the park near the river around 5 p.m.
We'll put out an alert. Do you have a photo?
Yes, right here on my phone.
Great. Call us if he shows up.
Thank you so much. He's like family to me.
See? He's like family adds that emotional touch. Officers understand.
Now let's practice pronunciation together. Repeat after me slowly. I'd like to report a theft.
I'd like to report a theft.
Good. Now faster. Can you describe the suspect?
Can you describe the suspect?
Excellent. Viewers, say it 3 times each. It builds muscle memory for speaking.
Another quick one. Reporting lost passport at the station.
Hello, I'd like to report my passport is missing.
When and where?
Yesterday at the train station. We'll help you get a temporary one. Fill is form.
Thanks, officer. I need it for my trip next week.
I need it for my trip explains why it's urgent. Practical English.
Let's do one more fun twist. What if you go to the station to ask for directions because you're lost?
Excuse me, officer. I'm not in trouble, but I need directions to the hospital.
No problem at all. Where are you trying to go?
The main city hospital. My friend is there.
Take the bus number 7 from here.
Thank you. You've been so kind.
Even at the police station, no problem at all, and you've been so kind keep things friendly.
Now, common mistakes to avoid. Don't say, my thing is gone. Too vague.
Instead say, I'd like to report a lost wallet. Clear and polite.
Don't argue with the officer. Say, I understand, even if you're upset.
Haha, yeah, like, I understand, but can we check the camera?
Perfect. Let's role play a full combined scenario now. Lost phone and then an accident. Hello, officer. First, my phone was stolen earlier and then my car got hit.
Wow, busy day. Let's handle one at a time. Phone first.
It was taken at the bus stop. Black phone, cracked screen.
Description of the thief.
Short guy in a red cap.
Noted. Now the car.
Rear-ended at the light. Other car drove away.
License plate.
I got part of it. XYZ 567.
We'll combine both reports. Sign here.
Thank you for handling everything. I feel safe now.
See how we linked two problems? Real life can be like that.
Viewers, if this happens to you, stay calm and use let's handle one at a time.
Time for listener simulation. Pretend you're calling in your question.
Henry, what if I don't speak English well? How do I start?
Just say, "Excuse me, I need help in English. My wallet is lost." Simple.
Great tip, and bring a friend who speaks better if possible.
Now let's review all key phrases in one quick list through conversation.
How can I help you today?
I'd like to report a theft.
Can you describe the suspect?
Please take my statement.
Thank you for your help.
I appreciate it so much.
See? 10 seconds and you remember them all.
Let's do one last long role play for a burglary at home.
Officer, someone broke into my house last night.
Are you safe now? Any injuries?
Yes, I'm okay, but the back door is damaged.
What was taken?
Laptop, jewelry, and some cash.
Signs of forced entry?
Yes, the window was broken.
We'll send forensics. Give me your home address.
456 Park Avenue.
Lock your doors tonight. Here's emergency contact info.
Thank you. I was so scared, but now I feel protected.
I was so scared shows emotion honestly. Officers are human too.
We've covered so many situations today. Lost items, theft, accidents, noise, missing pets, witnesses, even silly sandwiches.
And every time we used short, natural sentences that are easy to remember.
Viewers, your homework, practice one scenario in front of the mirror for 5 minutes. Record yourself.
Then watch our video again and repeat after us. Your English speaking will improve fast.
If you liked this, comment below. I practiced the wallet report, and tell us your own story.
Subscribe, like, and share with friends who need real-life English.
Thanks for joining us. Stay safe, speak confidently, and we'll see you next time for another conversation adventure.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning easy with us.
That's a wrap. You've just learned hours of practical English through fun police station talks. Practice, practice, Practice.